This video contains forensic instrumentation techniques part 2. Myself Divya Porwal, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Content of this video: first, introduction; second, procedure; third, types of evidence and forensic significant. Instrumentation techniques which we will discuss in this video. First, scanning electron microscope with energy dispersive X-ray analysis. Second, gas chromatography coupled with mass spectrometry. First, introduction. Scanning electron microscope. It is discovered by Max Knoll and presented by Max Mullen. Max Knoll produced a photo with a 50 mm object filled with showing channeling contrast by the use of an electron beam scanner. Manfred von Andrin invented a microscope in 1937 with high resolution by scanning a very small raster with a demagnified and finely focused electron beam. Procedure: it produces images of a sample by scanning the surface with a focused beam of electron interact with atoms in the sample, producing various signals that contain information about the surface, topography, and composition of the sample. SEM provides detailed high-resolution images of the sample by rastering a focused electron beam across the surface and deleting secondary or backscattered electron signal. An energy dispersive X-ray analyzer (EDX) or EDA is also used to provide elemental identification and quantitative compositional information. Next, types of evidence and forensic significant. Examples are: first, forensic analysis of soil and sediment traces; second, gunshot residue analysis; third, firearm identification or bullet marks comparison; fourth, investigation of gemstone and jewelry. Next, introduction of gas chromatography coupled with mass spectrometry. First, online coupling of gas chromatography to a mass spectrometry was reported in 1959 and it was invented by Roger Sant. It is an analytical method that combines the elements of gas chromatography and mass spectrometry to observe various substances within a test sample. Additionally, it can identify trace elements in materials that were previously thought to have disintegrated beyond identification, like liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry. Gas chromatography leads to separation of volatile organic compounds. Separation occurs as a result of unique equilibrium established between the solutes and the stationary phase. An inert carrier gas carries the solute through the column. Procedure: GC works on the principle that a combination of substance will separate into two individual substances when heated. As the separated substance emerges from the column opening, they flow into the mass spectrometry. Next, types of evidence and forensic significant. Examples: drug detection, firearm investigation, environment analysis, explosive investigation, and identification of unknown samples, including that of material samples obtained from the planet Mars during probe mission as early as the 1970s. GCMS can also be used in airport security to detect some substance in luggage or in human being. If you have any queries, then write in the comment section. Thank you.